quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use the respawn code. So in my video game here, I have my different obstacles to come through, right? And now I've got to create an area if I fall off the edge to respawn from. So first thing I'm going to do is go up and create another game object, and in this case it's going to be a cube. Okay, and there's my cube. Notice it transforms position at 0. I want to move it a little bit below so it's underneath. -5 looks pretty good. I'll just leave it at -5. And then I got to scale this object up width-wise so it's big enough and long enough for my entire game, or whatever that area is that I want to respawn if I hit and fall off. Okay, so there it is. So this cube is going to be the respawn area, so to speak. So I'm going to rename this respawn area. Okay, so that means if I hit this, it's going to respawn me somewhere else. Okay, I'm going to just, for organizational purposes, put it up in the respawn. One thing you'll notice that it is white. Okay, if you turn the mesh renderer off, it becomes invisible. But this is where the script will go. It will go onto this actual object. So go into scripts, respawn, and throw it on there. So in the respawn script, you've got to designate the player. There it is. And then we also have to designate a respawn point. So this is another game object. So I want to respawn out here on this island. So I'm going to create an empty game object. It's nothing. There's nothing there. It's just a placeholder. Okay. And there it is. Okay. And I'm going to rename it so I don't get it confused with anything else. Not duplicate. Rename. And we'll call it the respawn point. Okay, and again, I'm moving it and keeping it organized. So there it is. Go back to the area and respawn point. Click it. And there it is. So now the code knows what to do. And when we play test and fall off the edge, it should put us out there. Okay, so let's just fall off. Boom, hit it. Haha, forgot one thing. In there, you got to make sure that it is a trigger, right? So it is a trigger. Otherwise, it doesn't know to activate that code. There it is, and it works. Okay, so that's all you have to do for the respawn.